Hello students. So today we are going to solve the exercise 4.4 from chapter Basic Geometrical Ideas. So first question we have, draw a rough sketch of a triangle ABC. Mark a point P in its interior and point Q in its exterior. Is the point A in its exterior or in its interior? So हमें एक triangle draw करना है और हमें P और Q, P इंटीरियर में और Q एक्सटीरियर में पॉइंट्स को मार्क करना है. ओके, एंड देन हमें बताना है कि पॉइंट A कहाँ पर लाइक करता है. ओके, सो लेट्स ड्रॉ द ट्राइंगल ABC. So this is a triangle and let's name it A, B and C. Okay, now the question is saying that mark point P in its interior. So let's say this is a point P in the interior of this triangle and mark point Q in its exterior. So let's say this is point Q in the exterior of this triangle. Now question is saying, is the point A in its exterior or in its interior? तो point A इसके exterior में है या फिर इसके interior में है. So as we can see that A, B, C, all 3 points lie on the triangle itself. Okay, so it is neither on the exterior nor in the interior. Okay, so point A lie on triangle ABC. Okay, now question number 2 we have, identify 3 triangles in the figure. So हमें एक फिगर दिया है, राइट? सो हमें 3 ट्राइंगल्स को इस फिगर में आइडेंटिफाई करना है. राइट द नेम ऑफ 7 एंगल्स. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स आइडेंटिफाई द 3 triangles. So first triangle we can see that the biggest triangle we have ABC. Okay, the greatest triangle in these 3 triangles. Second triangle we have ABD. Okay, this triangle. And third triangle we have ADE. Okay, this. So these are the 3 triangles we have. Now we can write here that triangle ABC, triangle ABD and triangle ADE are 3 triangles in the figure. Okay, now B part is write the name of 7 angles. Let us first see where are these 7 angles are. So first this angle, second this one, third this one. Okay, so write here angle ABD, AB, or we can see that's E. Okay, so ABD and ABE both are same angles. So ABD, angle BAD, BAD, angle ADB, angle ADB in the triangle ABD. Okay, now let us come to the triangle ABE. So in ABE we have angle BAE. Okay, this angle. Okay, so angle BAE. Next we have angle AEB, angle AEB. Okay, now this is already we have angle ABD. Okay, so ABE and ABD are same angle. Now let's come to the triangle ADE. So in triangle ADE we have angle ADE, this angle. Okay, ADE. Okay, now we can see that angle AEB and angle AED both are same angles. Okay, so we have already mentioned AEB. Okay, now we are left with the angle EAD. Okay, or DAE we can say. So angle DAE, right? So these are 7 angles we have in the figure. Okay, C part we have write the name of 6 line segments. सो हमें इस फिगर में 6 लाइन सेगमेंट को ढूंढना है. फर्स्ट वन इज दिस, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ एंड सिक्स्थ वन इज दिस BE, bigger one. Okay, so line segment AB, BD and BE, BE. Okay, then we have this line segment AD, AD and this line segment DE, DE and line segment AE, AE. So these are the 6 line segment in this figure we have. Now let's come to the D part. Which two triangles have angle B as common? Now we need to see that which two triangles have B as common, angle B. Okay, so the triangle we have ABE, this bigger triangle, and triangle ABD, this triangle on the left side. So in both these triangles we have B as a common angle. Okay, so in triangle ABE and triangle ABD, angle B is common angle. Okay, so students, this was exercise 4.4. Now note down this question in your notebook and try to understand the concept behind the given questions. Okay, so I will see you in next video with new exercise. Till then, keep practicing and take care.